Welcome to another show. Today we are going to step things up a little bit and move away from muffins, just for today, and make this most delicious lemon tart. Take 220 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of soft icing sugar, 15 grams of ground almonds, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 100 grams of unsalted butter. Mix the butter into the dry mix. Add the egg. Mix that together until it begins to thicken up. The dough is back out of the fridge, and if we just lightly sprinkle the surface of the dough with some flour as well. And then roll it out roughly 33 centimeters diameter. A couple of sheets of baking parchment over the top of the pastry. Add the baking beans. So the pastry is ready for the oven now. 20 minutes. At 200 degrees C or 390 Fahrenheit, or with a fan oven, 180 degrees C, 356 Fahrenheit. To make the lemon filling, we need the zest of 1 lemon, 125 milliliters of lemon juice, roughly 3 standard sized lemons, 150 grams of sugar, 170 grams of unsalted butter cubed, 3 egg yolks, and 3 whole eggs. Whisk and whisk continuously. So that's ready to go back in the oven again, just to help it set for maybe 5 minutes. So the lemon tart is ready and you can eat it like this. It's absolutely delicious. However, you can add some toppings. I'm going to use pomegranate, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, a sprig of mint, and dust that with some vanilla infused icing sugar. There we have it, the lemon tart with fruits of the forest and a dusting of icing sugar. Not muffins today, so it's a bit of a change for me as well. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you try the recipe, hope you like it, and please remember to upvote the video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next one, and maybe we'll do something different again, who knows. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.